In this video, you will learn how to solve these nice mathematics problems. You're asked to solve for the value of y in this expression. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more unique mathematics solution videos. Now to solve this, we are going to simply simplify. Now I want you to note that from this expression, if we have 8 to the power of 2, this is equal to 64. I guess you know that. So if we have that, we can simply simplify the right hand side. So let's start solving. To solve this, we'll have y to the power of y to the power of 4 to be equal to 8 to the power of 2. Now, what do we do from here? What I think we should do is to multiply through by the power of 4. Now, why are we doing that? Just continue watching to see why we did that. To find the value of y, we're going to multiply through by the power of 4. Now, if we multiply both sides by the power of 4, this will give us 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by the exponent 4. Good. Now, having arrived at this, I now want you to recall a law of indices. In that law of indices, if we have a to the power of x multiplied by y, this can be equal to a to the power of y multiplied by x. And also, if we have a to the power of x multiplied by y, this can also be equal to a to the power of x y. We're going to apply these two laws of indices in simplifying this expression. Now let's get started. Now to use the first algebraic expression, you will come to see that this power will now come to be with y, and this whole expression will now go out of the bracket. Now let's do that. That expression will now give us y to the power of 4, which is the initial exponent, all to the power of y to the power of 4, and this will now be equal to, recall, we have 8 multiplied by x. Following the second expression, we're going to have 2 multiplying by 4, and that will give us 8 to the power of 8. So that will now give us 8 to the power of 8, because 4 times 2 is 8. Now, do you notice something? We have same base and same what? Power. So from the law of indices, if we have a to the power of a to be equal to n to the power of n, then our a can be equal to n as long as n is greater than or equal to 1. So if we apply that to that expression, we're going to have the value of y to the power of 4 to be equal to 8. So what do we do from here? To solve for the value of y, all we need to do is to take the fourth root of both sides. So the fourth root of y to the power of 4 is equal to the fourth root of 8. Now, if you simplify this, the value of y on the left hand side will be equal to, because fourth root will clear the root of 4, and that will give us 8 to the power of 1 divided by 4. Recall, if you have the a root of n, that will be equal to n to the power of 1 divided by a. So the value of y, which is equal to 8 to the power of 1 divided by 4, is simply the solution to that expression. Or we can simply simplify it further to give us y equal to 2 to the power of 3 divided by what? 4. Now let's check to see if our solution is absolutely right. Now let's look at the original expression given to us. Y to the power of y to the power of 4 equal to 64. Now, if we do that, we are given y to the power of 4, and we are told the solution is equal to 64. So if we put the value of y equal to 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, is it going to give us 64? Now let's do that. If we do that, we are going to have that expression to now give us, that expression will now give us y 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, all to the power of 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, and that will be to the power of what? Of 4, right? And that will be equal to, remember, according to the law of indices, this will multiply this. So this will give us 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, all to the power of 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 4, and this will give us what? 2 to the power of 3. So that expression will give us 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, all to the bracket of 2 to the power of 3. And remember, 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So we'll have 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4, all to the power of 8. And this will be equal to 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 8. So 4 here will give us 1, and 4 will divide 8 divide 4 to give us 2. So that expression will now give us the value 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. And this will be equal to 2 to the power of 6. Now 2 to the power of 6, is it equal to 64? Sure, 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. So the value of y equal to 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4 is truly the solution, or the value of y that satisfies that exponential equation that is given to us from the initial question. I know you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up. Also, share this video with your friends and colleagues. Remember to also kindly subscribe to our channel for more of our mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.